Hello everyone, I'm John with Cybersecurity. Today I want to tell you about a risk that many businesses face, which is password theft. Criminals are stealing passwords in order to access the business data, to steal it, to sell it, to lock it down with ransomware and extort money from your business. Now, you might think password theft is difficult, but unfortunately, it's very easy for the criminals. We've just seen two high profile cases in Las Vegas, MGM and Caesars Palace. Both were attacked using password theft. Once the criminal has the password, the criminal has access to your business systems. The criminal can steal data, can basically stop your business working by having access to the computer systems. So it's very important that you improve the cybersecurity of your business to ensure that you are not going to be a victim of password theft. How do you do this? Well, you increment the login process using two-factor authentication. You're familiar with this because banks need it, businesses like Amazon need it, Google needs it. What does it mean? It means that you have a password to log in, but after the password, you're going to get a code from a mobile phone in order to verify your identity. Now, even if a criminal steals the password, the criminal cannot get access with two-factor authentication. The criminal doesn't have access to the mobile phone to get the code. And so it's a very secure method of ensuring that criminals don't get access to your business. Uh, Products like Cybersecurity provide two-factor authentication as part of the features that they give to businesses. Products like this are called Zero Trust Network Access. They prevent password theft with two-factor authentication, and they also block attacks like phishing. A great investment, whether you get Authornet or any other product, please upgrade your network to include two-factor authentication. You'll be glad that you did. Thanks for watching. See you next time.